Hello, students. Good morning. Hope you all are well. And I hope that you all got the ISSO Olympiad workbook. Okay. And from this book, today I am discussing with you that a few MCQs question answer with the explanation. Okay. So you know that in contents there are history, geography, socials and politicals life. There are so many chapters are there. Okay, and from this chapter today I am discussing with you first chapter. So this is the chapter sources of medieval Indian history. Now, number one, first MCQs. The medieval period in India is regarded from dash to dash century. That means from which centuries actually the medieval period in India is regretted. Okay, so the answer will be number C, that is 1880 to 18, number C. Okay, why? Why it is 80 to 18th century? Because 80 to 18th century medieval period is the middle period before the start of modern period and after the end of ancient period. So that is why this is the correct answer. Now the question number 2. What is the question number 2? The division of history into different periods reflects changes in what? Option A, polity, number 2, society, number 3, culture, and number D, all aspects of life. So, question once again I repeat, the division of history. Okay, so the division of history into different periods reflects changes in which? It is the number D. That means all aspects of life. But why? The explanation is we notice the changes in almost all the aspects of the during different periods of history. That means we actually notice all the changes. That means political changes, society, social changes and cultural changes. So every changes actually happen different periods, different time. That is why all aspects of life. Next question is number 3. Hind, Hind, Hind is an old name of India which was given in medieval period by, that means who have given this Hind, the old name. Okay, this Hind name who has given? Option A, Arabs, number B, Greeks, number C, Chinese, and number D, Indians. So answer is number A, that is Arabs. Okay, this is the answer. So Arabs actually given they have given the medieval period the name Hind. Okay, it was very old name. Now our next number 4. What is the meaning of the word farman? We have already taught it. Okay, so what is farman? Farman means there are so many options: king's palace, place, royal order, historical text, or religious scripture. What is the answer? Answer is the king or royal order. That means number B. B is the correct answer because the meaning of the farman is royal order. Okay, not king's place. If royals instead of royals order, if it is given the king's order, then also it will be the answer. Okay, king's order or the royal order. So in this way actually question will become and you will read the all the options very properly, then you will give the answer. Okay, So I'm not discussing with you all the questions answer. This is the pattern actually. So few question answer I am discussing with you. Okay. Now our next is, now I'm going to question number 11. Suppose in this way question is come that who was Ziauddin Barani? Who was Ziauddin Barani? Options are given: a king of medieval India, a 14th century chronicle, a traveler from Central Asia, and the last option, a famous poet of 14th century. So, who was Ziauddin Barani? The answer is Ziauddin Barani was very famous chronicler of medieval period. That means answer B is the correct. And he wrote his first chronicle in 1356. So you must, I'm discussing with you that it was written by him and the year 1356 first chronicle. Okay, so maybe question here, from here also a question will come that when Ziauddin Barani has written the first chronicle, 1356, 1354, 1355, 1350. What is the answer? So answer will be the 1356. Now question number suppose 17. The Bhakti movement was one of the most important events of medieval period in the sphere of dash and dash. Okay. So Bhakti movement was one of the most important event we know in the medieval period. Okay. And in the sphere of which dash and dash, that means religion economy, religion culture, economy traditional, or caste and politics. What is the answer? So here answer the B, that is religion and culture. So that means full answer is the Bhakti movement was one of the most important events of medieval period in the sphere of religion and culture. Okay. Now suppose question number 20. Okay. Which among the following is the history of the kings of Kashmir? Which among the following is the history of the kings of Kashmir? The name? There were four names are there. Okay. One is Rajagrihini. One number next is sorry. First option is Rajtarangini. Second is Ratnabali. Third is Furhati Firoz Sahi, and number D is Babarnama. So which is the correct answer? Answer is Raj Tarangini. Okay, and Raj Tarangini, it was written by Kalhan. Kalhan. Okay, it was written by Kalhan. Kalhan was the author of the Raj Tarangini. Okay. Okay. Now, there are few more questions are there. This part is written archiver section, or we can see the HOTS questions. Okay, so these are the other type of questions. So, first question is, in the given outline map, here you are watching one map is given. Okay, in the given outline map, identify the provinces, places, okay, small places, provinces P, Q, R and S of the Delhi Sultanate during Muhammad Tughlaq region and select the correct option. So this is the another pattern of the question. So one map is given and some outlines are given and the outline is named by PQRS. Okay. Now your work is that which of the Delhi Sultans during Muhammad Tughlaq region and select the correct option. So what are the option? Here we can see the map and this is the outline. Here you can see the PQRS. Okay. Now it is showing in this way that number option 1 is Awadh, Devagiri, Kanauj, Multan or Devagiri. That means how it is means just actually in which way it will come. So Awadh, Devagiri, Kanauj, Multan, Devagiri, Kanauj, Awadh, Multan. Names are same. Okay, but written in the chronic some the in one after one. So which will the correct answer? Multan, Devagiri, Awadh, Kanauj, and the last one is Kanauj, Multan, Devagiri, Awadh. So which is the correct answer? Now the correct answer is number A. Okay. So the correct answer is number A. So first is Awadh, then come Devagiri, then Kanauj and after that Multan. So students, these all are the HOTS question or we can say the archivers sections. Okay. So in this type of questions will also come, that means few images, few map pointing will given you and from that actually question will come. So in this part actually we have total 25 question. Now I am discussing with you the last question, that is suppose 24. Okay, here one another images is given. The given picture shows section of Indian subcontinent reproduced from large map of the world. Who drew this map? The given picture shows section of Indian subcontinent. Okay, here is given Indian subcontinent. Okay, this is the Indian subcontinent. And it is reproduced from large map of the world. That means it is collected actually from the large world map. But who drew this map? Options are Minhaj Siraj, Al Idrisi, Babar or Amir Khusro. So answer is always B, that is Al Idrisi. Okay, and Arab actually cartographer Al Idrisi made this map in 1154 CE. 1154 CE. Okay, so he was actually Arab cartographer Al Idrisi and it was made by him in 1154 CE. Okay students, so hope you understand that what type of question will come in Olympiad, but you don't think that this questions only will come. You must find out so many MCQs. So chapter already given and as per that you find the MCQs and you find the question answer. Okay, and next part, that means the next chapter number 2 I will discuss with you in my next class. Okay, so still thank you, goodbye.